Another top of this hour, former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje breaking her silence over the current political crisis in Rajasthan. Raje has said it is unfortunate that people of Rajasthan are paying for the discord within the Congress party. She has said at a time when state is battling the COVID-19 and locust attack as well, there is no point trying to drag the BJP into it and the names of the BJP leaders through the mudslinging. It is time to think about people first. Listen in to Vasundhara Raje. All right, so these are the words of Vasundhara Raje hitting back at the Congress party and very clearly stating that there is no point dragging the BJP when in itself the Congress party is indulging in fighting. Remember, apart from the political crisis, there is a pandemic and there's also been a locust attack recently in the state of Rajasthan. And this while the government is split into two in so many ways. There are rebel MLAs. There has been controversy since the past 10 days now. And therefore, perhaps now with Vasundhara Raje speaking up, taking to social media importantly and putting out her statement, former Chief Minister from the Bharatiya Janata Party, a tall leader of the BJP, and now stating why drag the Bharatiya Janata Party into a discord which is within the Congress. Remember, this is all about whether there was poaching done, whether there were audio tapes and call records that had BJP leaders approaching those of the Congress party. Poulomi Saha with all the latest. Poulomi has been tracking this case closely. Poulomi, so now Vasundhara Raje finally speaking up. But what precisely is the status with the poaching tapes controversy?
Well, as far as the allegations which have been leveled by the Congress party against the faction which is with Sachin Pilot right now and the Bharatiya Janata Party, they've of course lodged a complaint which has been turned into a couple of FIRs by the SOG of Rajasthan Police. They did reach Manesar yesterday to have a word with the MLAs who've been lodged over there who belong to the Sachin Pilot camp. They will of course need a court order in order to take their voice samples to match them with the voices in the audio tapes which have been circulated in the media. But Vasundhara Raje here, of course, breaking her silence for the first time. Remember that there have been certain allegations which have been made against her as well. NDA ally Hanuman Beniwal has made an allegation that Vasundhara Raje is trying to save the Ashok Gehlot government because obviously there is the prospect of a threat for her. If Sachin Pilot were to join the BJP, he would become a strong opponent. So she's trying to save the Ashok Gehlot government. She allegedly, according to Hanuman Beniwal, is making phone calls to certain Congress legislators telling them to support Ashok Gehlot. In the statement that she finally released right now, she of course is telling the Congress government to stop dragging the BJP and the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders into your internal mess. This is about you and your internal house affairs. The fact is that Rajasthan has many more things to worry about,
yes,
including the pandemic, including locust attacks for farmers. But that is not seemingly on your agenda at the moment. Think about the people,
okay,
put Rajasthan first.
Poulomi, I request you to stay on with me because what Poulomi has been referring to is very interesting. Former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje's loyalist, also a BJP MLA, Kailash Meghwal, also seems to have come out in support of Ashok Gehlot government. And why? Kailash Meghwal also has said that Bharatiya Janata Party should not compromise with ethics as Sachin Pilot has already decided not to join the BJP. Meghwal has formally served as the Speaker of Rajasthan Assembly. He's also said that horse trading, other pressure tactics to form any government is condemnable. Remember, Meghwal's comment has come just days after BJP's ally Hanuman Beniwal claimed Vasundhara Raje had been calling up Jat MLAs belonging to Congress from Sikar and Nagaur, asking them to stay away from Sachin Pilot.
राजनीतिक हालात में तो आज राजनीति का स्तर जितना गिर गया है, मेरे 60 साल के राजनीतिक जीवन में इतना गिरा हुआ मैंने नहीं देखा। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ए पार्टी विथ डिफरेंस और नैतिक मूल्यों की पार्टी रही है, इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी का हर स्टेप नैतिक मूल्यों की कसौटी पर कसा जाना चाहिए। उसी आधार पर राजस्थान की राजनीति में उन्हें अपनी हिस्सेदारी करनी चाहिए। उसने तो साफ मना ही कर दिया है कि मैं बीजेपी में नहीं जाऊंगा और ऐसी स्थिति में उसकी गरज करना और उसके पीछे पड़ना, और मैं ये भी बुरा मानता हूँ जिस तरह की हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग और दबाव से राजनीति चल रही है और उसमें विधायकों का जो है बहुमत बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है, वह नितांत निंदाजनक है।
Oh, let's go back to Poulomi Saha on that. Poulomi, so not just Beniwal, also here Meghwal stating that it's best because Sachin Pilot has said no. So do you think there is, apart from what is being heard and seen, there is a different context that Pilot coming into the BJP can create further problems within the BJP?
Well, yes, that is how some people are reading it as well. Because within the BJP itself, Pooja, there are two, schools of thought. One that thinks that, there is a battle to be won if Sachin Pilot and the legislators who are supporting him are brought into the Bharatiya Janata Party. But then there are some who think that, the numbers are far too little. It's not going to shake up the Ashok Gehlot government. So what is the point of bringing, Pilot and his supporters into the party? But there are others who are saying that, even perception-wise, that could be a huge dent for the Congress party if someone who has and his family has been associated with the Congress party decides to part ways and enter the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, that is going to be a huge perception point which the Bharatiya Janata Party could score. And hence, you are seeing these different voices that are coming in, some who are supporting the Ashok Gehlot government, some who are attacking the Ashok Gehlot government as well. So it's not just an internal Congress disorder that you're witnessing right now. There are sorts of the schools of thoughts within the Bharatiya Janata Party as well, and differing opinions within the BJP as well.
And also a senior MLA of the BJP saying that horse trading is wrong, BJP should keep with its ethics. That's also a strong comment that has come. Poulomi, thank you so much for taking us through the latest there in Rajasthan crisis.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.